Are you tired of building emails from scratch? Learn to deploy a branded template in Klaviyo in under 2 minutes. I'll start by showing you where templates live in Klaviyo. Then we'll select one and customize it to match your brand. First up, click on Content to head into the Content section. Then, click on Templates to see the library of email templates available. Now, go ahead and click on any template that catches your eye. Just give it a click. Finally, click Use Template, and you'll start editing it to match your brand. Enjoy! If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.